I know you're gonna dig this.
There we go! Hey guys, welcome back to Dreary Racing, and as you can tell, racing season is over. We're packed up for the year. Well, almost. We still gotta get the duster in here and a few things moved, but racing season is over, and that means we're moving into build season. Now, next year, the plan is to do some bigger events, as we've talked about before, Dragon Drive, Street Car Takeover, whatnot. But we're also planning on running pro class in bracket racing, which, for the most part for us, has no time restrictions. So the 1160 time restriction that we had before is out the window, so we can go faster. There's no more excuses. And part of our, I wouldn't even say crippling, because we went 1160, we were still fast, was our heads. They were good heads, but not flowing enough. So what we have in this box, a new set of heads. Let's get it unboxed and we'll tell you about them. And these are Trick Flow Power Port, 190cc ports.
Wow. Look at those ports.
This looks sick. Let's get it out of the package here right away. Oh, nice. Already have the valve springs in them.
Oh yeah, these are ready. These are ready to bolt on. Hope they're worth all the hype, but they look fantastic.
Now you said the combustion chamber's a tiny bit smaller.
Going from 63 down to 60, we'll pick up just a little bit.
Yeah, these are 190cc. Compared to the heads we had were about 170.
171, yep.
And we're picking about 40 to 50 CFM. So quite significant. And
Let me look down these exhausts.
Look at these. Oh man. These look slick. Let's take a look at the
I think
other
when we
side.
pull the other heads off, we'll do a video, compare them.
Come look at this side here. Wow.
Why don't you tip that up? Wow, that's nice.
These are real nice.
That's crazy.
Pretty much went with these because they're about the game that we are kind of shooting for, and also for bang for the buck compared to because you easily could have spent a lot more, as a lot of you guys, Mopar guys know. You can spend a lot of money, but I think bang for the buck, these are good quality heads, flow a lot more. We are going to need to get some rockers for these.
Yeah, rockers and push rods. We're probably going to go with the Hughes rockers. So there'll be another video, but get those ordered soon.
Oh, man. I'm ready to put them on now. Yeah, these are nice. If it wasn't, for your guys' support and helping us grow the channel and kind of pushing us to go faster, the whole internet's pushing everybody to go faster, but it wasn't you guys push us to go faster and do bigger and better things, we probably wouldn't have bought these. So hopefully these are very worthwhile, and hopefully we can hit our number goals that we have in mind. Most importantly, try to get into C class for Dragon Drive, which is 1150, but we're already pretty close there with where we're at, so these probably easily take us there, along with some other mods that we have coming up. So let us know what you guys think of our new heads. I'm already in love with them. Can't wait to get them on. So if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.